Hello friends, how are you all? This is Lakshya Arora and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will going to discuss how we can attach data disk to any virtual machine in Azure. So before that, let me create a virtual machine. Then we will log in to that virtual machine and I will show you how we can add data disk in that virtual machine. Let me create a RG. I've created a RG. My virtual machine will be in this RG and let me type virtual machine name. Region is East US2, that is fine. Availability options, let it be image. I am selecting Windows Server 2016 generation 1. Size automatically selected. I am giving username and I am giving password. Confirm password. Now I am allowing this RDP port. I am allowing all the protocols SSH, HTTP, HTTPS. Would you like to leave this disk? Don't change. Now here comes the important part. We need to create a new disk. I am giving it the name D disk. Size is 1024 GB or 1 TB. Let it be, don't change that. I'm not changing that. So if you want to add a particular disk, data disk to a virtual machine, then you need to click on this create and attach a new disk, or if you have any existing disk, then you can click on this option attach an existing disk. You can select the name of that existing disk. You can select the host caching. Disk type all will be displayed when you select this existing disk from here. I don't have an existing disk, so I'm not selecting. I am creating and attaching a new disk. So from portal you need to create and attach, and by logging into the VM also you need to bring that disk online, that I will show you. Then only it will reflect. Networking, no, I'm not changing anything because my main goal is to show how we can attach the disk. Tags, review and create. Just click on create. Till the time this VM is created, I am pausing the video. So my deployment is complete. My virtual machine is created. I am going to the virtual machine and I will RDP to this virtual machine. To take RDP, simply click on connect, select RDP, download RDP file, click on that RDP file, click connect. Public IP address automatically assigned to your virtual machine. Type your username and password. So when you need to attach a particular disk, so the main thing you need to do by logging into the machine only. In portal you will just create and attach a disk, that I showed you already. So I'm logging into my machine. I will also first open File Explorer and I will show you, like we have only two disks. We will be having one C drive and one temporary storage will be there. See, we have logged in into our virtual machine. It is a bit slow. Yeah, I am opening my File Explorer. It is slow. Go to this PC. See, we have only two drives, C drive and D drive. One is default OS drive, Windows drive, and one is temporary storage drive. So now I will attach one more drive. So for that, I will open Server Manager. In Server Manager, let it load. It will show storage pool, file and storage pool option. Let it load. Yeah, file and storage services option. Click on that. Click on disk. see, we have this 127 GB disk. Let me verify. We have this C drive of 127 GB and D drive of 7 GB. 127 GB C drive, its partition is MBR partition. 7 GB MBR partition. This one is online, but it is not having any partition. As you all can see, I've added that from the portal, but it is not online currently. Okay, as you all can see, partition is unknown. So for that, to make it online and usable, we will click on this new volume wizard. We will format this wizard will help you create a volume, as you all can see, and we will assign a drive letter, and then we will format it with a particular file system. We will format it with NTFS file system. Okay, you can create a volume on a physical disk or a virtual disk. Virtual disk is a collection of one or more physical disk from a previously created storage pool. So click on next. Okay, this is the disk 2, capacity 1 TB. We selected 1024 GB, if you remember, capacity is 1 TB, it is showing. Click on next. Selected disk will be brought online and initialized as a GPT disk. To continue, click OK. I am taking the entire volume size 1024 GB only. You can change it also if you are having 1 TB, and if you want to utilize only half of that, then you can choose that side accordingly. Now assign a drive letter. I am assigning it F only. Click on next. File system is NTFS. I will format this volume with NTFS file system. I am not changing, I am just changing the volume label. D disk, I am giving the label data disk. Click on next and click on create. It will gather information, it will create a partition, it will format the volume, it will add access path, update cache. All these steps will be performed and the disk will be brought online finally. Let it complete. And one more thing, when you have attached a data disk, then after that also you can extend the volume of that data disk, but you cannot reduce the size. You can extend the size, but you cannot reduce it. See, all these things have been performed. Now it is online partition. Let me go to this file explorer. As you all can see, data disk is online, 0.99 TB, 1 TB. We have got the entire space. So this is how we can attach, and to detach we can simply go to this one. Okay, just click on this only. Click on delete volume. This volume is deleted, so simply you can delete the volume also. So it is very easy, not that difficult to create and attach volume. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. Hope you have liked it. So if you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section and I would be happy to reply. So thank you guys, thank you for watching and happy learning. Bye bye, take care.